Hi folks, and welcome back to Off the Grid Houses for Sale. I'm Jesse Ivy. Well, today folks, we are going to travel all the way to Kentucky, and we are going to be looking at this 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,017 square foot house in East Bernstadt, Kentucky. Now, this property would be ideal for somebody who is really looking for an affordable piece of land with some housing already on it and wants it off-grid. This property has a lot of features I feel like people are really going to like, and it's got wood throughout the home. It was built in 2007, and it sits on 2.99 acres, so almost a full 3 acres of land that this cabin sits on, and on top of that it has an unfinished second cabin that you could finish to make this even more of a desirable off-the-grid paradise. Now, if you're somebody that's interested in, Kentucky and having something maybe in Kentucky, this home probably would be for you. It's definitely off-grid. This custom-built home offers 2 sleeping spaces, completely surrounded by woods and off-the-grid living with solar electricity, as well as its own cistern and holding tank water system. This home site offers the opportunity for hunting, 4-wheeling, and is only minutes from Wildcat Off-Road Park and I-75. So if you check out this cabin as you're going through the house here, you're going to see that it has a loft area where there's multiple sleeping quarters there, where people can come and visit if you have guests. There's also a kitchen area, and then there's also a laundry facility. There's many features that go with this property. Appliances that go with this property are a range and refrigerator. The laundry feature, there's an electric dryer hookup, main level, and washer hookup. And as stated before, the property, it has 1,017 square feet, and there's a second cabin that is unfinished but could be finished and turned into, perhaps another cabin, or you could finish it and rent that one out, or whatever creative ideas you might have. There's a lot of different things you could do with both of these cabins, but this main one here has wood throughout it, and it's absolutely beautiful. I find it, very, very attractive. And if you look on top of that, you're sitting on 3 acres. So you're 3 acres, you're secluded, you're, off the grid, and you're completely self-sufficient with the electricity coming by solar. Anyway, if this house interests you, I invite you to go to the Zillow link below. Just click it. It's in the description below. Just click it. It'll take you to the realtor. You can talk to them about this property and ask them questions, and you'll see the price, all the particulars, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at the price as well as the attractiveness of this property. You can sit out on one of the covered porches at the main cabin, or enjoy a cookout at the enclosed gazebo with patio for indoor-outdoor enjoyment. The second cabin is partially finished but would provide extra space when completed. This property could be a private vacation paradise or an investment income property, as cabins could be rented out like others in this area. The possibilities are too many to mention. The property is so unique and beautiful, you'll have to go see it for yourself. There are 2 sleeping spaces upstairs in the open air loft. And like I said before, the home has beautiful custom wood finishing throughout it. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this property in Kentucky. And I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Off the Grid Houses for Sale. And we will be back again very soon with another episode. And this is Jesse signing off from the Owner Terms Land Network.